Okay. If anyone did not receive the link for the software, please let us know. Okay. We will share the link. Okay. So, right. So once you have the link, you have to download it and you have to unzip it. So after that, okay, we will have to see. So we are going inside this folder. So there is a setup file. So using this setup file, we have to start the installation process. Okay, so you can just double click on this one. Okay, if I will not have a control on your system. Okay, na? Prakash.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I will give the instructions you have to follow. Okay,
Sure.
so that it will be installed.
Mm.
Okay, so you will you have joined with the mobile network or wide
Wi-Fi only.
Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi it will be okay. Not with mobile network, right?
Yeah.
With the mobile network or
No, no, Wi-Fi only.
okay. Sirisha, your network, your system is running very slow. So you should get a pop-up. No.
Yeah, I got pop-up. So
Oh, you are getting okay,
I
but I'm
was
not
waiting for
seeing that
this.
one.
I'm clicking on yes.
Oh,
Hello,
tell me, Amma.
sir. I didn't receive any software link.
I was talking right. Okay, so I asked right many one. Okay, you have okay, right. We will see. You please share
Okay.
your email ID to Lokesh. He will add you. Okay,
Okay.
go to installation.
Sir, this process should we do along parallelly with you or
No,
wait?
don't do. You just watch it. That's
Oh,
it. After that, you can try. Okay. So you have to click on installation and you have to click on the first option, new SQL Server alone. Uh,
Yeah.
okay. I request everyone, please see how he is installing. Okay. Don't do it from your end. So after this, okay, you can try. Click OK. Click on next. Click I accept the license terms. Click next. No, not required. Click next. What is your RAM?
Uh, I do not remember. Actually, I'm using other laptop, not my personal laptop.
Okay.
I can click next.
Yes, click on next.
And in this one,
Click on next.
okay.
Okay, you select all. Click on select all.
Yeah.
There is an option select all.
Okay. Yeah.
Now next, click on next. Next. Okay, so default instance, click on next. Click on next. Okay, there is an option for the SQL Server agent. Instead of manual, you select automatic.
Okay.
Next. Okay, here you have to select a mixed mode. Okay, we are installing in both. Okay, so you have to enter the password. The default account is SK. For the default account, you are setting the password. Okay, type the password. Enter password. Okay, SA123. SA123.
Is it a capital letter?
No, it's okay. Anything is okay. Just enter small only.
Okay.
SA123. Now add current user. click on add current user. Your account will be added here. Wait, it will be added.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now click on next. 1 minute. So you have already enter password properly. Click OK. Password.
Here.
Password. You have to give same password in both places.
Yeah, I given that one only.
Click on next. Okay. Put SQL@12345. Remove that one. Put SQL@12345. Same password you type. Now click on next.
Yeah, it worked.
Click on add current user. You remember that password, okay?
Yeah.
Or you just write it down in the notepad. After that, you don't ask me, I forgot. Huh?
What is it? SCI.
You only entered the password. And again, you are asking me. SQL@12345. Okay, save it. Better. Okay. Next. Next. Click on add current user. Click on next. Click on next. 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 Install. Okay, it will take half an hour. You have to wait. Okay, so
Okay.
meanwhile I will show you the same process in another system. Okay,
Sure.
right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, after that you have to verify. Okay, how to verify? You need to go to the search, type SSMS. SQL Server Management Studio will open. You
Okay.
can try with Windows authentication or SQL authentication. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, you know the process, right? Yesterday I have told you.
Yeah, I'm clear.
Next. So anyone wants to share your screen, please?
Yes, sir. I've
Okay.
shared the screen.
What's your name, ma?
Monica.
Monica. Okay. Right. Someone joined with the phone number. I don't know what is his name. 844286399756. Can you please change the name? There is a 3 dots, okay, against your name. So you can click on that and click on rename. Okay, you will be able to change. Someone joined with the mobile number. Okay, I can see that 844286399756. Please change the name. Okay. Meanwhile, Monica, can you share your screen? I will install it in your system.
Yes, sir. I've already shared the screen.
I'm not able to see.
Are you able to see now?
No. Can anyone see her screen?
No.
No. No, sir.
I've just pressed on share
Okay.
screen.
You click on the green option.
Yes, I've selected it.
So still someone is not changing the name. Okay, what is your name? If you are unable to change the name, can you tell me? Hello? So we can delete him permanently. Then he won't be available. Join. Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Monica, your screen is visible.
I think it's
Okay.
Manotna.
Huh?
Oh, Manotna.
I have
Oh, I
told you
rejoined.
2 to 3 times, but still you are not able to. Please change
I'm
it.
sorry. I think it's not mine. Sorry. I just changed now.
Okay. Please open the SQL Server software. Amma.
Okay. So in the
You have
SQL,
already downloaded, right?
yeah,
Good.
downloaded and unzipped it.
Okay. Now you let me take the control. Okay. I request everyone please see. Okay. I am going to install once again in another system. Okay. See, once you have downloaded the software, you have to unzip it. Okay. After unzipping, you need to place that entire folder in some other drive. Okay. Here you have a file called setup. Okay. You need to use this setup file for installation. Okay. I'm going to double click on it. Monica, did you get any window?
Yes, I've selected yes.
Just, yeah, very good. Because I'm user, right, for your system. That's why I
Fine.
didn't see. Okay, I request everyone, please see how I am trying to install the software. You have to do the same steps. So once you have this one, okay, you have to go to the installation and you have to click on the first option. Can you click on the installation? I'm
Yes, sir.
unable. Right, I am going to do. Okay, let's click on the first option, new SQL.
Okay, run.
I think your system is having something. Do one thing. Hello.
Yes, certainly.
Can you restart your computer and
Yeah.
you rejoin, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So meanwhile, I will do it in another system.
Okay, should I restart and I'll
You have to restart your system. You
okay.
join in the meeting. Okay.
Okay, done.
And then we will see.
Sure, done.
Okay. So anyone is ready with the software, sir? I will install in your system. Hello. Hello.
Hi, this is Jyoti here.
Yeah, Jyoti, tell me, Amma.
Software, but my system is a bit slow. If it is okay, I'll share the screen and I'll do.
Let me check with others. Anyone is ready with the
Hi, sir. This is Mahesh. I'm
Mahesh,
ready.
please share your screen.
Yes, sure.
You joined with Wi-Fi or wide network, correct? Not with mobile network, right?
No, sir. Only Wi-Fi.
Okay, then it's fine. Please share your screen, sir.
Yes, sir. I'll share.
Go to software where you have downloaded and unzip it. Copy that folder into the right. Let me take control. Open it. Open it. Click on setup file.
No, actually, this folder unzip in desktop only, sir.
Copy and paste in D drive. Better.
No, that's it.
If you are copying and pasting on the desktop, generally it will be slow. Go to the D drive. Paste here. Open it.
Yeah.
Now click on setup file. You will get a pop-up. Click on yes. Okay. Wait. Click on installation.
No.
Left side, second option. After click on installation, click on the first one, right side, blue color. Right. Go and restart
Same
your
here.
computer.
Yes.
Okay, you can restart, right?
Yes.
Monica, did you join?
Yes, sir. I joined from my mobile. I'm just restarting the system.
You restart your computer, Mahesh, and
Yeah.
you join in the meeting and you share your screen. Okay, we will
Yeah.
install it. Okay,
Sure,
fine.
sir. Sure. Sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Stop your screen.
Anyone wants to share the screen?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Revati.
Okay, so do you want to install the software or what you want to do? Tell me.
Install, sir.
You have already completed.
No, sir.
Can you just go to that folder where you have unzip it? Revati, can you just go to that folder?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry,
Ashwin?
sir.
Ashwin,
Sir,
people are not able to share the screen, it seems. Can you just give the instruction how to share the screen?
the green button and click on screen again and share. So share screen is there, right? So click on it and again click on screen and share. That's it. Simple.
Nagalakshmi,
Yes, sir.
you have
Yes, sir.
completed the installation?
Yes, yes, sir.
Good. Next. Monica,
Sir, system is still restarting. It will take a minute to 2 minutes.
Mahesh. Mahesh did not join back.
Hi, sir. Jyoti is there. I connected back. Shall I share the screen and continue?
Yes. Click on share screen option.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
when you click on it, you will have an option called screen and click on share so that you will be able to share your computer, right?
Yeah.
Now click on setup file. Click on yes. You are not getting any pop-up.
No, still I didn't get any.
We need to get it. Automatically, we will get it a pop-up. Wait. We're supposed to get.
Jyoti, have double clicked it.
Yeah, I have double clicked.
Okay.
Should I try it again, sir?
Yes, try it.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
wait. Think your system is slow, it seems.
Yeah, it's a bit slow actually.
We need to finish the installation and we have to start the class, sir. Mahesh, did you join back? First option. Correct. Wait. Minimize this one, right? Let it be finished. Click OK. Wait. Next. Click on next. Accept license terms. Next. Next. What is the configuration for your system, Jyoti?
Actually, this is very old system. I didn't remember the configuration since for this class we are using.
It is running very slow.
Yeah. Okay, shall I stop the sharing? Meanwhile, you
Okay.
can.
You know the steps, right? How to install?
Yeah.
Okay. Mahesh,
I'm
hello.
stop.
Yeah, you can unshare your screen. Mahesh,
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
can we do it in your system?
Yes, sir. Just now I restarted the system.
Okay, you can share your screen, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Double
Visible,
click
sir?
on the, yeah, I can see your screen. Double click on the setup file.
Sir.
Second options, installation. Click OK. Wait. Next. Accept license terms. Next. It is scanning your system. Next. Click on next. In the first system, we have installed very quickly, but why it is taking time, sir? Adit, you don't have laptop?
I have, sir, but it's not working, sir.
Mm,
I have to give
without
it to-
laptop, how you will work? Tell me.
Yeah, I'll give it today for repair, sir.
Mm, Get it ready.
Yes, sir.
We will start the practical classes too.
Okay, sir.
Mahesh,
Yes, sir.
what is the configuration for your system?
4 GB RAM and I think 500 GB hard disk, sir.
Should go to the next step by this time. Okay. Click on next. Click on next. Select all. Next. 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 Okay. For the SQL Server agent, you have to make it automatic.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Click on next. So here we are going to install the SQL Server with mixed mode authentication so that it will help, okay, to log in with Windows authentication as well as a SQL Server authentication. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay, sir.
it's better to install in mixed mode. Okay.
Yes.
Now you enter a password. Remember the password. Okay. SQL@12345, something like that. Add current user. No. Add current user.
Next,
Let
sir.
it. No. First your user.
Ah,
Correct. Now you
okay.
have to click on next.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can click on add current user again. In 3 places, we will need to click on add current user. Okay.
Okay.
Click on next. Next. Again, you have to click on add current user. Click on next. Click on next. 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 Now it will start installation. Click on install. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It will take minimum 30 minutes, half an hour. Okay.
Sorry,
Okay,
to-
sir.
So
sorry,
anyone
to,
has, sorry.
sorry to interrupt you. I'm in the middle of installation. So I came up to the page like adding user. So I just stuck it. I'm sharing the screen.
Okay. Please share your screen. Amma. Anyone has any questions for the installation? Hello? Jyoti, you said that you want to share your screen.
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm also in middle of installation. I'm in server configuration path. Means, and in here we need to check as a startup type as manual, right? For some service. Is this for a server agent or a server database engine?
Can you share your screen? I will see.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, I think I've shared the screen.
Okay. Can you just go back? You have, wherever you find a add current user, you click on it, right?
Okay. Next.
You enter the password also there, right? After
Yes.
that, you have click on add current user, right?
Yes.
Wherever we found, okay, add current user option, you should click on it and then click on next.
Actually, server mode is showing multi-dimensional and data mining mode.
Okay, so multi-dimensional mode. This is related to SSAS. Okay.
Okay.
Click on next.
Okay, add current user.
Mm. So wherever we found add current user, we must click on it and then we have to click on next. No, you don't need to mention any name. Click on next. Next, not required. Next. Click on install. Okay. It will take half an hour to complete. Okay.
Okay, I'm stopping this.
Okay, fine. Someone is having the doubt, it seems. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing. Jyoti here.
Yeah. Tell me, Amma. Please share your screen.
Yeah. I shared out. Able to see my screen, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, here I go.
Automatic. From the drop down, you have to click on automatic option. Click on next. See, to go to the next step, okay, it is taking more time.
Yeah.
I don't think so. You will be able to execute the queries. Okay, now click on mixed mode. Enter the password. What is the password you have entered?
I have entered SQL at the rate 1 to 3.
Fast. Ashwin,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir,
you guide them. Already I did it right for 3 systems.
Yeah,
Yes.
add current user. Right?
Yes.
SQL enter it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, I have given.
Click on add current user. Click
Okay,
on next.
next. Add current user. Next. Add current user.
Next. Wait.
Click next.
Install.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have completed the installation part on 4 systems, right? Total.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. No.
Yes.
Okay. So once you have installed the software, what to do? How to check? Hello.
In the search bar, you have to type like
Yeah.
SSMS.
Yes. Okay. We have installed the software. After that, in your system, you have to enter SSMS. So what is the SSMS stands for? Any idea? SQL Server Management Studio. I have told you that SQL Server is a client server technology. Okay. So SQL Server Management Studio is a client tool which we use to connect to the database server. Clear? By using the SQL Server Management Studio, we can connect to the database server. SQL Server Management Studio is a client application. It's a client application to connect to the database server. Anyone has any questions? Okay, right. So once we have installed the software, you have to type SSMS in the search and then you will have to click on this. Okay, let me explain. Okay, what is Windows authentication option? What is SQL Server authentication option? Okay. Okay, please see. Okay, you have to see the server type, which server we are trying to connect. There are 4 type of servers will be available. Okay, one is database engine, one is analysis service engine, one is reporting services, and last one is integration services. I have already explained when to use this, when to use this, when to use this yesterday. Okay, so our primary goal is we will need to work, or we will need to use database engine, correct? Okay, see, this is a cloud server, okay, which I am using for the ADF class. So now I don't want to use this. I wanted to connect to my local server. So in this case, what I should do? I have to enter my local server. So how do I know, sir? I need to click on this. Okay, I can see that there is a computer name. This is my system name or laptop name or computer name. Okay, so I am trying to connect to my local database server. Okay, next, authentication. So here there are 2 type of options are available. One is Windows authentication, one is SQL Server authentication. If your account is already added in the server and your account is having the permission, then you can proceed with the Windows authentication. Please try to understand. Let us assume that. So we are working in an organization called, okay, ABCD. Okay, we are working in one organization called ABCD. So our user name will be like this. Okay, so this is the username. If this username is already added by the DBA team in the database server, you can go ahead and use this authentication option, Windows authentication. Windows authentication means it will take your Windows account. Simple. See, observe it, my account, okay, domain name / username. So see, this one is a domain name. This one is a username. So you have to provide entire information. Okay, suppose if your account is not added in the database server, you will have to check the SQL Server authentication. So for the SQL Server authentication, you already know the default account. So during the installation, you have given a password. So that password you have to give. The account name is SA. Okay, please see, I am typing the account is SA. Even for you also, default account is SA. Password, what is the password you have given during the installation? I don't know. Okay, you have to give your own your password. So I am giving my password here. See, you have given SQL @12345. I think that password you must give, and you have to just check it. Click on connect. So I'm able to connect to my database server. Clear, sir? How to check? Okay, after installation. Anyone has any questions? Hello. Once again, I am going to show you how to connect to the database server. You have to enter the SSMS in the search. You will get a SQL Server Management Studio. You need to just click on it so that once we get this, okay, we have to choose the server type. What would be the server? What would be the server type? We have to choose it in drop down database engine. Next, you have to provide your server. Okay, if you don't know the server, you will need to click on it and you have to click on browse for more. You will be able to see your server. Okay, so I have connected frequently, so I am getting it the list in the drop down. So I am just selecting this one. So here I am selecting this time Windows authentication. So I don't need to enter the password. I don't need to enter the password when you choose Windows authentication option. So it will take my Windows account and the password. Okay, let me click on connect. So I tried in both ways. Clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, see, after connecting to the database server, okay, you will have to see what is the user that you have used to connect. What is the user that we have used to connect? See, this is the user. Okay, I have used because I have selected Windows authentication. Suppose I want to disconnect it. Okay, I disconnected it. I want to reconnect again. So from here only you can try. Just click on this. Okay, Here I am trying this time SQL Server authentication. So this time I'm using the login ID is SA. Next I am entering the password. Let it connect. So this time, what is the user I have used to connect to the database server? Can you please see right side on the top?
Yes,
SQL.
SQL Server.
SQL Server. Okay. So
And
-SA.
SC is like
So this is the account I have used to connect to the database server, correct? Hello.
Yeah.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Good. Okay. Anyone has any questions, please let me know for the installation or for connecting to the database server. Okay. So once we connect to the database server, what we are going to do? Can anyone tell me, please? So
create
what
the
is our,
database.
sorry, yes, we have to create a database and we will need to organize our data as per the business requirement, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Someone joined just now, it seems. Okay. So there are two series I am seeing. So I got a notifications. SIREESH. You have joined just now, it seems, correct?
Yeah, sir.
యాలు మాలు వర్క్ అవ్వవు ఇక్కడ. నువ్వు టయానికి జాయిన్ అవ్వాల్సిందే 7:30కి. అర్థమైందా? I request everyone, please join at least by max 7:35. Okay, please don't join in the middle of the class. Okay. Okay, right. So we connected to the database server. Okay, so we will have to see, okay, what are the options are available. So the first folder after connecting to the database, it is a databases folder. Okay, so here you have to create a new database. So when you have installed the SQL Server database, what are the system databases will be available? What are the system databases will be available? As a beginner, you should aware of it and you should know each functionality of the system database. Okay, so let me just write down. So there are two things we need to understand. System DB. Next, user DB. If the database created by us, then we call it as user database, user defined database. Suppose if the database is already available and it is not created by you, in that case, we call it as a system defined database. So in interview, they might ask common question. Okay, can you tell me what is the role of MSDB database? Can you tell me what is the role of TempDB database? Can you tell me what is the role of master database? Okay, so there are 4 system databases will be available. Okay, let me just write down and we will discuss about master, model, next MSDB, next TempDB. So these are the 4 system databases will be available when you install SQL Server. Okay, you please don't do any experiments with these master databases. Okay, if you want to do some experiment, okay, you have to create some database called test. Inside this database, you can do whatever you want. Suppose if you are trying to do something here, okay, you have to again uninstall it and you have to reinstall it. Clear? Clear or not clear? Please don't do any experiments with the system databases. Okay. Let me show you. Okay, where are the system databases? Sir, I expanded the databases folder. I can see there is a subfolder called system databases. So let me just expand it. Okay, here I can see there are 4 databases. Okay, master, model, MSDB, TempDB. Okay, let me go to the paint and explain it. Okay, we have completed the installation in our system. Okay, and we have SQL Server inside it. This is a SQL Server. Inside this SQL Server, There are 4 databases. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So generally, okay, database symbol will be like this. Okay, database symbol will be like this. Okay. This is a database symbol. Okay. First database name is a master database. Second database name is a model database. Third one is MSDB. Fourth one is TempDB. Clear? Why do we use a database? Can anyone tell me from you? Hello?
To keep the data in a structured form.
Correct. Okay. As per the business requirement, we have to organize the data by creating the objects. Correct? So whatever the business that you want to start, okay, first you have to analyze your business and what are the possible tables will come into the database level. So you need to come up with that idea. Okay. Okay, let me give one simple example. Okay, we want to start some hospital. So all the patient's information, all the staff information, okay, whatever the diseases, okay, we are providing the treatment for the patients. Okay, this is our business. Okay, tell me, sir, what are the possible tables will come into the picture? Adit? Hello, Adit?
Yes, sir.
Just think, what are the tables will come into the picture?
Patient name,
Very good. Patient's information.
then
Mm.
about that lab reports,
Lab reports,
test
very good.
reports.
Next.
Then what are they facing?
What are the type of diseases? Okay, we are giving the treatment. Next. Staff
And
information, right?
yes, sir.
Next. So patient, okay, can be a inpatient or outpatient, correct?
Yes,
All the OPD information has to be saved in a one table, correct?
yes, sir.
Next, once the patient is admitted in the hospital, okay, we will need to provide a discharge summary. Okay, all this information have to be in a database, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so depends on the business. Okay, tables will come into the picture. So as per the requirement, you have to mention the column names inside the table. So once we entered into the command, okay, you will get to know. So as of now, try to understand what is the database. What is the database? Database is used to store the data. Database is used to store the data. Simple. Okay. See, this is a master database. This is a model database. This is a MSDB database. This is a TempDB database. So I have not created these databases, correct? I didn't create these databases. Okay. Anyone is completed the installation part? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, completed.
Completed, right? Okay, let me just ask him to share the screen and can you please share your screen, sir?
Yes.
So in his system, he has completed already the installation. So he is going to check it. Okay. See, he expanded the databases and system databases. You can see there are 4 type of databases, right? Everyone is able to see his screen, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you read the database names at least? Master,
Model, MSDB,
TempDB.
TempDB.
So Prakash, you have created these databases or automatically these databases are available?
Yeah, automatically available.
Right. So it means that, okay, these are the predefined databases or system defined databases. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone is clear, sir? Those databases are not created by us. Those databases are not created by us. Okay. Clear? Everyone clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Good. Okay. Let me share my screen.
Sir, is it for, I found one error.
What is the error?
Okay, during the installation, there was a one error. Distributed replay controller. It is showing as failed.
I think something went wrong with your system. Okay, let See,
I will
now,
help you. I will help.
okay, see, so we are going to understand first what is master database. Okay, we are going to understand what is master database, what is the functionality in SQL Server. So master database is a primary database in SQL Server. It's a primary database in SQL Server. It will be controlled all the user defined databases. Okay, so let me repeat. See, for example, this is a database which we created. It means that it is a user defined database. This database information will be available physically in the master database, so that this database, this master can control this database. Okay, na sir? Who is going to control this user defined database? Master database. So this database ID, database name, database creation date, other, okay, everything will be available in this master database. Okay, consider that you have created a one more database called test_1. Test1. Okay, so this is also a user defined database. So this information also will be available in a master database. If you want to delete the test1 database, okay, you must connect to the master database. From the master database, you have to write a query, drop database name. Okay, clear? Hello?
Clear.
Okay, next. If you want to provide a permission to someone in your team or in your organization, for example, your organization is ABCD and your username is, let's say, Naresh. Okay, this is the user. Okay, next, someone, okay, from his team, let's say ABCD, okay, /name Kalyan. Okay, so this user wants to work, okay, in the test database or test1 database. Who is the admin for this database server? Who is the admin for this database server? Naresh is the admin. So Naresh has to provide access to Kalyan. So he has to send an email to Naresh. So to get
Access to
access.
test
Okay.
and test.
So he sent an email to Naresh. After reviewing his email, he decided that he has to give a permission, right? So there will be a login option. Okay, let me show you where it will be. Can you see security option? Hello, you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So he has to expand this security and he has to expand this logins. He has to create a new login. Okay. He has to enter the Kalyan user ID. Okay. So depends on his requirement. He has to go to the server roles. He has to give a read permission or he has to add him as a sysadmin. Okay. Depends. Okay. Once he added here, okay, that information also will be physically available in the system database, master database. Clear? When you provide a permission to anyone, that permission information also will be controlled in the master database. Clear or not clear? When you create any new database, when you provide a permission to anyone, so everything will be controlled by master database. Clear? So that's why we are calling it as it's a primary database in SQL Server. Unfortunately, if you delete this master database, okay, you can't use a SQL Server. Again, you have to uninstall it and reinstall it. Clear? That is the reason I told you that please don't do any experiments with the master database. If you want to do your experiments, you have to create your own database, test, okay, or some other name you have to work in. Clear? Clear or not clear?
Okay, clear.
Yes, clear.
Okay, right. Next, model database. Model database. So it is a template. It is a template for creating the new database. I will give you notes. Don't worry. Don't write any running notes. Okay. I will give you from tomorrow onwards. Okay, sir. Today also it's a kind of introduction only. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So still we have not seen the creation of the new database. Behind the new database, what are the files will be created? We didn't see. Okay. We will see. Okay. Let me complete the system databases functionality. So model database is a template for creating the new database. So when we will use this one, suppose this is a existing database. This is also existing database. So now we are going to create new database called ABCD. ABCD is the name of database. Before creating the ABCD database, if we have any objects in the model database, for example, we have a table 1, we have a stored procedure, we have a function. So these are the objects are available already in the model database before creating the ABCD. Those objects will be automatically copied into ABCD database. Getting or not getting? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Let me repeat. Okay. We did not have a ABCD database, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to create a one table called calendar. We are going to create a table called calendar. So calendar table will be used for the time analysis or date analysis. So this table will be used in all the projects in most of the time. Okay. So you tell me, whenever I need to start a new project, in that project you wanted me to create calendar table, or better we create a calendar table in the model database so that it will be copied into the new database automatically. Which one is the best option?
Second one.
Hello?
Create a calendar in model and
Create a
use
whatever the tables that you are going to use common in the new databases. Better you create that table in the model. Better you create a table in the model database so that it will be copied automatically into ABCD database. See, you don't need to create a calendar table in the new database. This table will be copied automatically. Okay, right. Next, after 1 month, I am going to the model database and I am going to create a one more table called location table. So you tell me from this table point of view, okay, after 1 month we have created this table. From this table point of view, this table is a old database or new database? You did not get my question. It's a old database. So the object, okay, will not be copied into old database. Please remember, okay? Right. So now after 1 month, I am going to create a one more database called sample. New database name is sample. So from these two tables point of view, this is a new database or old database?
New.
Okay. So in this database, okay, all the objects, calendar and location tables will be copied automatically. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Okay. We will see practically this one. Okay. Next. So tomorrow, okay, we will see this MSDB, TempDB also. We will start creating the user-defined database. Okay, sir? Hello?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Next, anyone did not receive the link, okay, for joining the class, okay? Anyone is not part of the new WhatsApp group, please let me know, okay? Or please let Ravi know, okay? I think he already shared the, okay. So please read this point, that's it. Let me stop it.